Welcome to our in-depth exploration of cloud seeding, a fascinating weather modification technique that has captured the imagination of scientists and weather enthusiasts alike. Cloud seeding has been in news after the Dubai floods, and it is a good time to understand what it is. Stay tuned. Let us first understand what is this cloud seeding. Cloud seeding is a method used to alter weather patterns by changing the amount or type of precipitation, mitigating hail, or dispersing fog. The primary goal is often to increase rainfall or snowfall, either for agricultural purposes or to prevent precipitation on certain days. The process involves dispersing substances into the air that act as cloud condensation or ice nuclei. Common agents include silver iodide, potassium iodide, and dry ice, with newer methods incorporating hygroscopic materials like table salt. Techniques vary from static seeding, which promotes ice particle formation in supercooled clouds to enhance precipitation, to dynamic seeding, which stimulates convective cloud development through the release of latent heat. Cloud seeding can be carried out using aircraft with newer approaches involving drones delivering electric charges to stimulate rainfall or infrared laser pulses inducing particle formation. Cloud seeding can also be done using ground-based generators. Despite decades of research and application, the effectiveness of cloud seeding remains a subject of debate among scientists. Some studies suggest it is challenging to demonstrate clear and significant effects on precipitation enhancement. While environmental and health impacts are generally considered minimal, concerns persist over the potential accumulation of seeding agents in sensitive ecosystems. Cloud seeding has a rich history, dating back to the 1940s, and has been used for various purposes, including agricultural benefits, water supply augmentation, and event planning. Legal frameworks primarily focus on prohibiting the military or hostile use of weather modification techniques, leaving the regulation of cloud seeding activities to national discretion. Despite skepticism and debate, cloud seeding continues to be explored and applied in regions worldwide as a tool for weather modification. As per Wikipedia, countries like China, India, Pakistan, Indonesia, Iran, UAE, United States, Canada, Bulgaria, Russia, Germany, Austria, Australia, UK, and many more have used or assessed the cloud seeding techniques to benefit their weather. Thank you for joining us on this journey to unravel the mysteries of cloud seeding. Stay tuned for more exciting discoveries in the world of science and technology. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.